Let's learn how to archive and unarchive Instagram posts. If you want to archive one of your posts or bring it back to your profile but don't know how, you don't have to struggle anymore. After watching this video, you'll know how to do it. The first thing you need to do is open the Instagram app. Once you've opened Instagram, you'll be on the home page. Now you need to click on your profile picture located in the bottom right corner. After clicking on it, you'll be taken to your profile page. On that page, find the post you want to archive. Once you've found the post, click on it. Then, click on the 3 dots in the top right corner of that post. A menu with several options will open. From that menu, select the option Archive. After clicking it, you'll be asked to confirm if you are sure. If you are, click Archive. Now click on the back option located in the top left corner of the screen. Next, click on the 3 horizontal lines in the top right corner of the screen. This will open a page with many options. From all these options, select Archive. After selecting this option, a page will open with the stories you've posted. On this page, click on Stories Archive at the top. A menu with 3 options will open, and you need to select Posts Archive. Once you select this, a page will open with the posts you've archived. Now find the post you want to unarchive. Once you've found it, hold your finger on it. After doing this, 2 options will appear. From these 2 options, select the first one, which is Show on Profile. After clicking this option, you've successfully unarchived the post. This was a tutorial on how to archive and unarchive a post on Instagram. So thanks for watching. See you in the next video.